Okay guys, so now I will tell you how to run a program using GCC, because you might be running using Code Runner, but you are afraid that someday you might be tested on this, or someone might ask you how you can run a program in VS Code using GCC. So you might be wanting to know. Just simply go to terminal and new terminal. So it's not that complicated. But now here I want to explain you a error, a problem which comes, okay, and which is really a important thing. So now only I'm saying that it will throw a error. So the format to run using GCC is, you have to type GCC after opening a new terminal. Just go to terminal, new terminal, GCC, and the name of the name of your program. So mine is sum table dot C. Okay, so what I will do, I will type sum slash table dot C. Okay, so what's happening here, it's saying that there is no such file in the directory. So what directory it's talking about? It's talking about this. So basically what's happening here, my program sum table.gc, this does not happen in Code Runner, is in this one. Okay, is in this folder, and under this folder there is a folder first half, and there the my program sum table is present, but the directory it's looking for here is D program. It should be D program and then the other folder called first half. Okay, so this directory, this should be the correct directory. So this, it's probable that you might not get this error, but I am telling just in case for now only. Now to avoid this, just simply make sure that the place where you have your program saved is the same as the directory shown here. Okay, and if it is not, then simply just press right click, show more options, and open with code. Then the directory will change. Okay, now basically I have already typed this. As you could see, this time no error was shown. Now after that, what will happen, exe file will be generated, ea.exe, automatically. It will generate automatically. You could see in the folder also it's generated. Okay, so now the name will always remain a by default. Okay, so I will also tell you how to change it. Simply I will go to the next one, the corrected one, where the path is correct, and now all I need to do is the name of that exe file. After typing gcc sum table.c, name of that exe file, and then press tab. Okay, and as you could see, the program is running. It's asking me to enter the number to find the table of, and if I type 4, as you can see, the table is generated. I will show you one more program to just get these. So select the program you want to run, make sure its directory is right. So if you just open it through a folder, it's already correct, don't worry about that. Just go to terminal, new terminal, and then type GCC, then name the program pattern dot C. Make sure the name matches correctly, and it has got errors. I will run a different program because you also might have time. Okay, so just again GCC lower dot C. Okay, after that the program will, the exe file will get replaced. What I have already, the exe file will get replaced every time. Okay, so what I will do here is again type A, it's always A by default, and then press tab. Okay, and as you can see, the program is running, and it will check whether my character entered is lowercase or not. So I have A is uppercase. Okay, so it's running. So that's how you do it. Now let me tell you how to actually change it to uppercase. Okay, so basically what you need to do is again GCC name of your program lower dot C and minus hyphen O hyphen and name the exe file, because it's always being generated at exe file, and you want to keep it as a exe file, and if it gets replaced with every program, your data will be lost. Okay, suppose I want to keep it as aj.exe. See, wait a sec. Okay, so what you need to do basically here is type gcc and then the name of your program, lower.c, as I have here, then it's hyphen o and just a space and the name of your file you want to keep. Okay, so as you could see, a new exe is generated called AJ, and now basically just type the name of your exe and press tab. Okay, and then you can enter, and as you could see, the program is running, and that's all. Thanks.